3/10/2026 again. Lots of perps today. Beep, 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 beep. This is for my perps, ready? Honk, 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 honk. Beep, 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 beep. Well, that's what I do to them when I walk out and I hear honking. That's what I do. I go beep, beep. And then I go, blow that your ass. I always wanted to stay here and just make the noises and record the reactions I'm getting. So hopefully I'm going to get some good reactions. Let's see. Try not to record everybody. You know, if they're not perps, I don't want to record them. Beep, 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 beep. I would have Smurfs talked to himself walking past Duncan 4 times. He didn't go get beer, so he was, thirsty. There's a red cup. Oh, black, red, blue. All the colors, baby. Let's do this. Beep. Beep, beep. I gotta make the noises they make. You know, sometimes it's fun. That's one reaction. There we have people that, they have motorcycles. They parked down the block at the corner. But as soon as I did that, that's when the noise came out. I was walking back up and I farted. I'm like, that's for the Voodoo Smurf. Nobody's out. Nobody was out, so I could do it in public. But every time I do something now, I go, the Target is doing this, the Target is doing that. Ever since I found out that, they get notifications when we do stuff, right? And I saw the actual footage online. Yeah, that color scheme. Black and white checkerboard too. A plaid shirt. And sometimes, this is what perps want. I'm gonna play the game every once in a while. It's springtime, the weather's getting nice, and I feel good. So I'm gonna start with them. Just for a little bit. They've been keeping me up with Voice of School every fucking night anyway, so fuck them. Now everybody's coming in. Yeah, the motorcycle is lingering. Hi. I don't even see it. I don't know where those 2 guys are. They're right across the street. They probably got a nice vacation just for doing that whole spiel they did. Across the street when I was recording. Oh God, what does this guy want?
Hey, good afternoon. Do you happen to be a Republican?
No.
Okay, no problem.
This guy's going door to door and asks people if they're Republican or what. Dude, I'm not neither party.